What was held in the Coelho case? In this context, can you say that judicial review is of key importance amongst the basic features of the Constitution? 200 words, 12.5 marks. Introduction. The I.R. Coelho v. State of Tamil Nadu, 2007 case is a significant Supreme Court ruling in India that reinforced the basic structure doctrine and highlighted the importance of judicial review. Body. Judgment overview. The Supreme Court ruled that laws placed in the 9th schedule of the Indian Constitution, which traditionally protected them from judicial review, can still be reviewed if they violate the basic structure of the Constitution. The 9th schedule was created by the First Amendment in 1951 to protect land reform laws but was later used to shield various laws from scrutiny. Judicial review significance. The Coelho case emphasized that even laws in the 9th schedule are subject to judicial review if they infringe on the Constitution's basic structure. Judicial review is the power of courts to assess the constitutionality of legislative and executive actions. It acts as a check on government powers to ensure laws adhere to constitutional principles. The basic structure doctrine, established in the Keswananda Bharati case, 1973, identifies key constitutional features that cannot be changed, including judicial review, which protects fundamental rights, maintains the separation of powers. Conclusion. The Coelho case highlights the vital role of judicial review in safeguarding constitutional values. By asserting that the basic structure doctrine takes precedence over the 9th schedule, the Supreme Court limited Parliament's ability to shield laws from scrutiny, thereby reinforcing the importance of upholding the Constitution.